Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. It's a great, grandiose day. Hope everybody's doing great. I want to say for you guys, pardon me, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post that on a regular. Go ahead, check us out. And also, too, I wanted to say this too. We got our business course for you guys who want to start a business, or if you guys do have a business and you further want to enhance it, we got that for you in the description box below. Make sure you guys get with that. And also, we got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. We also have our amazing apparel there at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. But yeah, this video right here is we're gonna be talking to you about some citrus. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Still been doing daily uploads for so long. And it goes on and it goes on. But yeah, I got this juicer right here. I've been juicing beforehand. You guys saw. But yeah, I got some orange juice and some other fruit and stuff in there. You see there. But I figured, hey, might as well chop up these oranges while I can. And but I have some fresh squeezed orange juice. You dig? I swear, nothing beats this better than just having a fresh squeezed orange juice. You dig? All right, now. About to cut this loud machine on. It's not loud for what it's capable of, I should say. But it's loud. You dig? Y'all determine. Kind of want to go in there slowly if I want to get all the juices out per se. So that it is. All right, I got the orange juice. Pour me some. All right, let me live taste test. Go ahead. Something about being just fresh squeezed, it just does it, man. I swear to gosh. Wow. Real soothing too. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, man. I want the juicy link in the description box for that. Consultations, you guys can get that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching, or you could just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post that on a regular as well. I don't know if you guys are. I don't know why you guys not following us there. Go ahead and follow us already. Let's see our exclusives for sure. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm very. It's the little things in life that impress me, man. But with our business course too. You guys want to start a business? You guys got to start a business, especially now. Ever since this Corona stuff, hey, you really need to start a business. You need to be looking towards entrepreneurship. Got the solution for you in the description box below. Hey, go ahead. It's what you do with it. It's really what you do with it. Also, we got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And as well, we got our amazing American Apparel there. Go ahead, check us out, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Well, the way I ain't selfish, I'm gonna give you some. Here you go. It's it. Dang, you don't be drinking the whole cup, the glass. What the frick? You trying to drink the whole cup? What's wrong with you? I'm gonna end the video. Bye.